Welcome to the cheese farm Catharina from the Zaanse Schans. My name is Inge and I would like to explain to you how we make the cheese. Welcome to the cheese farm Catharina from the Zaanse Schans. My name is Inge and I would like to explain to you how we make the cheese. In the morning we start pouring the milk into the container and we heat the milk up. 1 minute. We heat the milk up to 29 degrees and that's a very important temperature for this liquid. This is the rennet, and after about 30 minutes the milk gets thick like a pudding and we cut the thick milk with a rotating blade. By cutting the milk it will separate into curds and whip. These are the curds and this is the whey. This is only water, sugars, a lot of good stuff still in there, but we don't use it to make the cheese. This is the only part we use to make the cheese and that's 10%. So from 10 liters of milk we get 1 kilo of cheese. This is a cheese form for 1 kilo of cheese. And we put in the curds and sometimes we mix them up with herbs or pepper or whatever you like in your cheese. And we press the cheese like this under the press for about 2 hours. After those 2 hours, we take the cheeses and we put them into a salty water solution. This is 20% salt, 80% water, and it's for the preservation of the cheese, the salty flavor, and the natural crust. 1 kilo of cheese stays in the salty water for about 24 hours, and after those 24 hours, we take the cheeses and put them on the shelf to dry. We put a little plastic layer on the cheese, and a young cheese needs to stay there for at least 4 weeks. Middle old cheese, 6 months, and a really old cheese for a year and sometimes more. Like this one, this is a really old cheese.
3 years old, right?
2 years.
2 years.
How to
Yes.
cut it?
Sorry?
How to cut it?
Well, very hard, but we can. We have special knives with 2 handles and we press it down. Have to be very strong. And the older the cheese, the better the flavor, the stronger the flavor. So we like these old cheeses, but if you're not used to cheese, maybe you like the younger cheeses better. Like these.
Yeah.
These cheeses are very practical to travel with because they don't only have the plastic layer around the cheese, but also a wax layer around the cheese. And they come in all different kinds of flavors. Like there's garlic and herb cheese, fenugreek seed. It's a seed from India, the fenugreek seed. Yes, walnut flavor, very nice. Goat cheeses, natural cheeses, black pepper, green pesto. There's even a sparkling wine cheese that has wine flavor. Oh. And these look like a sausage, but it's also cheese. This is smoked cheese. And they come with herbs and without herbs and in goat cheeses. And you can all try them when you go inside. And if you do try some cheese, try some mustard on your cheese. It's a Dutch habit. We eat our cheese with mustard or sausage with mustard or anything with mustard. And this is how we cut a cheese. It's a very handy tool. Anyone want to try?
Yeah.
Yes. And maybe share a little?
All cheese is eggless?
All cheese are?
Eggless?
Eggless.
Without
And
egg.
there's no egg in the cheese. No.
Cow milk है ना भैया?
It's made of milk. There you are.
ले लो दो
There you are.
लेना है?
And we put many cheeses with this is the younger cheese. This is only about 4 weeks old. And it's a cow milk cheese. Anyone want to try? And this is also very handy. To put some cheese on your dish.
So you get
Want
cruise
to grab
also?
it?
You sell cruise also?
Grab it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
लेकिन इतना बड़ा क्यूब नहीं मिलता है ना?
Okay, when we go inside, you can try your goat cheese and sheep cheese on your left-hand side. Cow cheese is on your right-hand side. There's also a typical Dutch cookie, the syrup waffle and the honey waffle you can try. There's lovely chocolates at the end of the store. If you have a question, question, please ask. There's
This
always
is
a lot.
From cow milk only.
This is
Not
only cow
from
milk?
Buffalo's milk.
We do have, no, we don't have buffalo cheese, no. But we do have goat cheeses.